The Weather Module is a decision support solution designed for railway infrastructure maintainers and managers. Current CMMS systems are highly efficient at managing standard maintenance interventions, which are typically scheduled in periodic cycles. However, the Weather Module addresses an overlooked area that accounts for a significant and growing number of interventions, a trend that continues to rise with climate change. It fully automates the monitoring and management of weather-dependent interventions. To deploy weather, we will need various types of data: a connection to national weather providers, local weather stations, rail temperature sensors, catenary temperature sensors, signaling temperature sensors, CMMS. The Weather Module is structured around 4 tabs. Live tab, used to monitor and alert in case of issues on the line. Forecast allows users to view upcoming weather conditions and potential interventions over the next 14 days. History consolidates all past interventions. Monitoring lists all areas that may require interventions if certain weather conditions are met. The first tab features an interactive map of the railway network. This map displays weather conditions using data from weather providers and sensors installed on the network. It is continuously updated to show critical weather parameters such as temperature, air, rail, and catenary, precipitation, wind speed, other specific indicators according to the needs of your network. This data is precisely localized on the railway network, allowing for close monitoring of conditions in specific critical areas. Real-time alerts are displayed directly on the screen with a color-coded system to indicate the severity level. Yellow pre-alert, indicating the need to prepare for monitoring. Red alert, meaning a technician must be on site to conduct monitoring. The module is compatible with CMMS systems, allowing it to identify problematic areas within the system, automatically apply monitoring thresholds, and trigger interventions based on weather conditions. To assist technicians, the module forecasts weather conditions to provide start and end times for monitoring, thus enabling better intervention planning. For each of the different zones, it is also possible to view daily forecasts to adjust monitoring accordingly. The Forecast tab projects weather trends up to 14 days in advance, providing maintenance teams with early visibility to better prepare for weather-related challenges and anticipate worksite planning. Each zone can be individually configured for this purpose. Monitoring alerts are also projected to allow maintenance personnel to adjust their schedules or on-call monitoring duties according to weather conditions. The History tab is directly linked to the client's CMMS. It enables tracking of triggered events and completed monitoring activities. It is also possible to track sensor failures. In case of a failure during monitoring, the Weather Module can predict the weather conditions for the affected areas by extrapolating data from surrounding zones. The last tab, Monitoring, automatically retrieves the areas to be monitored from the client's CMMS to apply monitoring thresholds. This ensures that no intervention is missed if the triggering conditions are met.